Hello everyone. Today we shall see an overview of power quality. See, the contents we're going to have is introduction of power quality, need of power quality, and what are the effects and sources and other solutions. So what is the main thing of power quality here? The main aim of power system is to generate electrical energy to deliver energy end user at an acceptable voltage. The voltage must be always within a range. So the power, that is the reason why the power quality has become much more important these days. The end user has to be more concerned on safety and installing the protective device. So the power received from the dam or any of the substation or any of the power station, any of the power station, it is to be delivered, it is to be transmitted from one point to another point, and it will be received to your end appliances, that is to your home, with a voltage, current and frequency values. Now this is our main focusing point, or this is the focusing area where we need to concentrate on. Here we need to concentrate on the power quality. So what is actually we require? We require the safety output, this is the waveform in this format. What do we actually get? So this is a waveform that we get, but we cannot guarantee that always the waveform will be obtained in this way. But if the waveform in this way, then you need to provide some of the solutions or the device so as to get an output in this way. Device. For that, do we have the generation, transmission, and electronic loads and climatic change? So these are the things that we are going to have, and that are going to affect the. And these are some of the definitions here. And let us see the power quality problems, sources of power quality problems. Majorly, it is non-linear loads. What are the non-linear loads? Non-linear loads are the one which doesn't have a linear impact on the load. That is when the variation, when the input and the current is varied, voltage may not be follows the same scenario of the current. So that here you can see the examples of this non-linear loads are power electronic devices, adjustable speed drives, and electronic blast. And in the mainly in the IT offices, you can see the IC is the main device that is going to have the brain of the computer. So any deviation of the voltage may cause the corruption or interruption to the data. Other than that, we have arcing devices and load switching. So the other problems will be having in external or internal, will be having the direct stroke or due to the wiring of internal fault. What are the measuring devices? Power quality measuring devices, we have four types. That is, one is digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and disturbance analyzer, and spectrum and harmonic analyzer. So digital multimeter, this is a very familiar device, and oscilloscope, this maybe you will be using mostly in this laboratory. And disturbance analyzer, here you can see the waveforms, and in the left side you'll be having the values, the magnitude, the phase angle, etc. And here you'll be having the ratio of the type of the disturbance appeared. And the spectrum analyzer, here you can see one of the waveform that is been analyzed, and a waveform here in this area, it is been shooted overshoot, so that is appeared in the red line. So this is what you can use, that there is this device is helpful for you to analyze the power quality here. Now what are these are the few solutions in the power quality problems. So what we conclude here is, as power quality is been growing day by day, the monitoring and the equipment statistics has to be studied, and it mean solutions has to be designed so as to get the sophisticated supply. Thank you.